The new welding lab here has been fantastic for us. It's opened up space. The main thing that I like about this lab is the lighting and the ventilation. In addition to the new space, we have the state-of-the-art booths that you can see behind me. It's really enhanced the opportunity for the students.
My name is Finn McCall. I've been in the welding program for about 1.5 years. I live in Nags Head and I graduated from Manio last year. I enjoy making things and never really saw college as something I wanted to do, so I joined the welding program. It is a good career option, a lot of people know that. It's affordable. Most people can get in with relative ease. And it's a useful skill. Even if you don't want to weld in the future, if you know it, it always could be a backup option.
In the U.S., the welding population continues to age, and as those workers age out, there's a good demand. In the U.S., the Bureau of Labor Statistics indicates that there's 430,000 opportunities in welding in the U.S. with an anticipated growth of 3% year over year. So it's just a solid opportunity for youngsters out of school or maybe non-traditional students that want to come and learn a second career.
I wanted to do welding to help expand on my diesel program. When it comes to marine diesel, we use welding almost every single day. We break a nut off, something like that in a head or something, you got to weld a nut on it to pull it out of there. Or we build custom aftercoolers, so we got to build all the custom stainless tubing to put on there. And I mean, just anything you think of welding every day. In this here new lab, it really helps us out because we got more space in the booths.
The welding program here at COA has been successful for us, primarily because of the experienced teachers that we've had, specifically Mr. Jeff Spear.
Mr. Spear is the guy who kind of runs it. Super knowledgeable, very, very knowledgeable. If anytime I have a question, he's there to answer it. He's like, if you have a question, welding, text me, I'll answer right then and there. In the whole thing, we learn 4 different techniques. We do stick welding, TIG welding, MIG welding, and flux core arc welding.
So in addition to the welding program, we have other opportunities that we continue to develop here at COA, one being the new forklift program. There's no doubt that Dean Sweeney and others continue to grow the program and enhance it with other opportunities.